need to anyway. So I'm going to record so that they can see the book here. So yeah, so this is how to code in Python, GCSE, IGCSE anyway. So that is so yeah, it's really good one. So I've gone through it quickly, right? So that is the one that we are going to use. Good thing about the book is it's got different codes that you can use for an example. So we are going to go through it one after the other. And in the book, you have, let me see, the chapters. It's got 28 chapters, okay? So it's actually covering different sections. The first section, section 1, we are going to talk about input, output, and simple calculations, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Sorry, yeah, go ahead.
Can you please hold up because I want to take picture because I want to order it now.
Or where we can get it.
So I got this one from Amazon anyway.
She got it from Amazon.
Amazon.
Yeah.
I'm taking the picture.
Yeah.
So
Thank you, sir.
So just to go through the content of the book before we start anyway. So this is, yeah, it's got section 1 as input, output, and simple calculations, right? So, and chapter 1, yeah, that is chapter 1 is only introduction. And chapter 2 is example of input, output, and simple calculation. And also you got chapter 3 as computational thinking, puzzles, input and output. And chapter 4 is got a sample, right? Chapter 5, computational thinking puzzles, right? Then chapter 6 is example, right? Then chapter 7, computational thinking puzzles as well. Then, so it's got a lot of examples. That's why I kind of like it anyway. So it's not like only talking about the standard. So it's not going to be the only book anyway, but this one, the fact one is because it's got a lot of examples that you can use and is explaining the concept and also explaining that with examples anyway. So which I think that's the reason that I'm using this book for now anyway. So of course, some of you might also be using different book. That also is fine. But in this session for now, so this is what we are going to use because we are going to write a lot of programs. We are going, so even though it's for GCSE, I'm also going to look into, yeah, most of you eventually will become a computer scientist as we go along anyway. So that is what I'm going to achieve. We are going to achieve through this particular lesson, okay? Okay, all right, cool. I'm going to stop recording.